your air dry clay dry and crumbly? Let me show you how to fix it. You're going to need glue. Elmer's Glue All Glue. You're going to need face cream. You're going to need your cornstarch, and you will need a towel to wipe your hands. You're going to need 1 or 2, depending on how many, how much clay it is. You need 1 extra clay. You know that cold porcelain clay or DIY air dry clay has a shelf life? Well, I made my clay about 6 months ago, and I didn't store it correctly, and I'll show you this video up here how you store your clay. Well, I only stored it, I didn't double bag it, and I only stored it in a piece of saran wrap, and now my clay is really dry and crumbly. On the outside it's hard as a rock, but on the inside it's still, it's still good. Well, I'm going to show you how to reconstitute it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to crumble the clay. You take your tool and you start digging out the clay. And then you're going to take your glue and your face cream, and you can open up your glue and you're going to start pouring that glue into that pot. Next, you're going to take your hands and you're going to start mixing the glue in with the crumbled clay. This is the gross part. Well, folks, the next step is to take this fresh clay and you're going to mix it in with this clay you just made, and you're going to start punching, and you're going to punch and you're going to punch, and you're going to pick it up and you're going to knead it a little bit. And then you're going to take, after you did that, you're going to take some face cream. If it's a little dry, you're going to add a little bit of face cream. You're going to kind of put that face cream on there, and you're going to add a little bit more face cream, about a tablespoon at a time. And then you're going to want to start pinching. And you're going to pinch all those lumps and the bumps out of there and pick the dry clay out, bits that won't reconstitute. And you want to make that clay smooth. Finally, the clay should come to a peak after you're done. If the clay is too dry, you add a little bit more glue. And if it's too sticky, you add a little bit of cornstarch. Well, thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. The key to this whole thing is to wrap your clay and put it in saran wrap and then double bag it